Now we are going to solve conceptual problem. See here, three forces acting on a body as shown are shown. 1 Newton force, 4 Newton force, and a 2 Newton force. This 1 Newton makes angle 60 degree with x-axis, and 4 Newton force makes angle 30 degree with y-axis. Is given like that given. Now they are asking to have resultant force only along the y direction. The magnitude of minimum additional force needed is dash. Now they are asking what is that means net force should be in y direction, they are telling. That means net force should be acting in y direction, then net force along x direction should be 0. If net force along x direction is 0, then there will be net force in y direction only will be there. Now to find additional force required to make net force along x-axis 0, now what we have to do means first of all we have to find net force acting along x direction we have to find. After finding net force along x direction, equivalent opposite to that force, if you apply along the x-axis, then net force along x-axis will be 0. So that net force will be acting in y direction only. So now we find forces acting along x direction. To find forces acting along x direction, we resolve these forces along x direction. See here, this 1 Newton, if we resolve along x axis, here, this 1 into cos 60. This 1 into cos 60 is equal to cos 60 is cos 60 value 1 by 2. So answer here 1 by 2 we are getting. And this 2 Newton force makes this angle. See here, this 30 degree means vertically opposite angle. This is also 30 degree. So this 2 Newton force here, if you resolve in x component, x direction, if we resolve this 2 Newton, if you resolve along x direction, we are getting this 2 into sine 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2, so the 2 into 1 by 2 is here, 2 into 1 by 2 is 1. So in this direction, here 1 Newton force acting and 1 by 2 force acting. And this 4 Newton force we are resolving in this direction. 4 Newton force, if you resolve along in this direction, this 4 sine 30. 4 sine 30 we are getting. 4 sine 30 we are getting. Since 4 is 4, sine 30 is 1 by 2. So answer is 2. Here we are getting. Now see here. Now what are the forces acting along x direction means component of 1 Newton force is 1 by 2 in this direction acting, and the component of 2 Newton force acting along this direction is 1, and the component of 4 Newton force acting in this direction is 2. So now simplifying this here 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2, and this 2 is acting in this direction. So resultant force acting along x direction is minus 0.5 along x direction is there. Along x direction is there. That means if we apply force, additional force in positive x direction, additional force if you apply positive x direction as a 0.5 I, then net force along x axis will be 0. So that net force will be acting along y direction only. So this 0.5 is answer B. So answer here comes B option. So 0.5 is correct. 1 by 2 is correct.